Hello, let me go through the requirement for the news feed for the mobile. But first, let me start with a history and a background of where soccer was. So we used to be a web page. As you can see, we are on a browser, and we had all of these different tabs: stories, heroes, tasks at the top. And I'll send you the link in a bit. And we used to have, and we still have this news feed. You can see over here we have this hello. Let me type some of this, and then it's literally like a Facebook, and it appears and updates here. So each one of these boxes is content. Is on content.js, and we actually save all of this in the backend in the server. And what happened was, after we have done all of these things and we have all these different tabs that actually works, all of this you will see that it is replicated on our mobile app. Eventually, we are now then going directly onto the mobile. So what I want now is this feature of the news feed to be replicated on the mobile. So as an example, this is our current mobile. You have seen after you log in, then there's the dashboard on the bottom left, which is the news feed, which is here. So there is a design in Figma, which I will show you in a bit. And what we want is the design that is something like this. You can see the image here with the text at the bottom. And I'll share with you the requirement in a bit as well. This is the page. Right now we don't have the part in the middle, and we want to add this part here, which is that news feed. So essentially it is going to be what I'm hoping to be a replica of this into this, which is the mobile. I don't have a design of how the like and comment is going to look like, but for now I think you can take a look, study it a little bit, or I'm trying to get the design for this part to be done. And a little bit of walkthrough. So our app is like a game. It's meant to let users browse interests like this, for example about innovation. They can get to like stories, and this will then try and find people around him to complete the stories together. In this case, we are trying to offer this product to schools, and in this case the student doesn't see any other teams around him, and I can start a new team on my own. So I click on this, it will start a team so that other friends can join. So you can see over here it's I myself alone. I can chat with my friends, and ideally then I can see my message. This is not working very well on the simulator. I'll start a task like this, which will then pull out from the database a set of questions. It is set up on the web as well, so these questions are seen here. If I go to the company page, there is an administrator tab or page where I can set up questions here. All of these questions end up on the task like this. I have a hookup to some answers which we prepare, and then once we finish all of these questions, so the goal is for the student to feel like they're learning things based on these questions. They're supposed to read the answers before they save, because it's part of their curriculum of the school. You will save their answers, get a message like this. We do need a new design for this to be updated as well later on. And then once we get this thing done, we are okay, and then task is completed. There is this feature where we're supposed to allow them to get bonus rewards. It's not yet set up for this story, but we have that feature as well. So we have a few things that we need to do here, which is about notifications of the bonus. There's that design just now, but for now I'm looking at getting the content that news feed is a higher priority.